Buying a new gaming PC can be exciting and stressful, like holidays with the family. So consider this quick guide to be your holiday walk with the cousins, taking away the stress and leaving you with everything you need to find the perfect PC for you or the gamer you love. PC gaming and building PCs is all about your skill level. So do you want to go easy mode, advanced, or expert? If you want easy, buying a pre-built PC like the ABS Cyclone takes out all the work and lets you get straight to gaming. You let the experts do the selecting and building and cover everything with a complete system warranty. This ABS Cyclone features an Intel 14400F CPU and a 4070 graphics card, which at $1,229 makes it an incredible deal for a mid-range powerhouse PC. You could also choose a pre-built system that's even more powerful if you want to experience truly top-of-the-line performance and graphics without having to build it yourself. If you want a little more jingle in your bells, try something a little more advanced like these ABS PC starter kits. They include an Intel CPU, compatible motherboard, and a cooler. Best of all, the parts are pre-assembled and tested so you know your new PC is going to be legendary. They even come with a bundled discount. By going the pre-assembled route, you save yourself the hassle of pairing a CPU with a motherboard and a cooler. Some of the trickier installation is also taken care of for you. You then only need to select your case, memory, storage, and power supply to build your full system. By going with a pre-assembled kit, it doesn't just make things easier and cheaper, it gives you more control and options when choosing the final components. Even better, you can use the bundle discount savings toward your other PC components. But if you want to game like an expert, if you want a KDR so good Santa will put you on both lists, well, you gotta build like an expert, and that means choosing your own hardware and assembling everything yourself. This way, your final system could be anything from a modest budget build to a monster extreme gaming rig. Building your own could even save you some ducats. Right now, you get a copy of Assassin's Creed Shadows and a 6-month subscription to Ubisoft Plus Classics free when you buy any qualifying Intel Arc graphics card or Intel Core processor. You can choose a CPU like the 10-core Intel 12600K and an Intel Arc GPU like the Acer Predator Arc 770 with 16 gigs of GDDR5, ZSS upscaling, and of course, ray tracing, all for a killer price. Nothing does entry-level value for dollar like pairing an Intel CPU with an Intel graphics card. And again, it's hard to beat getting a free copy of Assassin's Creed Shadows and a 6-month subscription for Ubisoft Plus Classics just for upgrading. But if you crave performance the way Uncle John craves an argument at the family dinner, then select the all-new Intel Core Ultra CPUs like the Core Ultra 285K or the previous gen Intel 14900K CPU with 24 cores and a monster overclock potential of 6 GHz. Pair it with a premium GPU like an NVIDIA 4080 or 4090 for the ultimate gaming setup. For all these CPUs, you'll want a compatible Z890 motherboard for the Core Ultra CPUs or a Z790 motherboard for the 12th through 14th gen CPUs. Make sure to always update your drivers and BIOS to the latest version to maximize the performance of your CPU and motherboard. For overclocking motherboards, it needs to have a Z in front. That way you can make the most of your CPU. Simply use the software tools included with your motherboard for either easy overclocking or advanced tweaking if you're down for more custom controls. We recommend at least a 600-watt power supply if going with an entry-level system and at least a 1,000-watt PSU for a premium gaming system. Remember, it never hurts to have a bigger power supply. For memory, 16 gigs is standard, while for storage, a 1 terabyte SSD will be both extremely fast and give you plenty of space for all your favorite games and applications. And remember, in the future, all components can be upgraded if you want to take your PC to the next level. Newegg has an Intel PC that's right for anyone this holiday season. Now's the time to grab these incredible deals and a copy of the new Assassin's Creed Shadows and a 6-month subscription to Ubisoft Plus Classics free with every qualifying Intel CPU and GPU purchase. Check out all the limited time offers at newegg.com/Intel Gaming.